go.
Question 1. Where do you come from? A. Do. B. Are. C. Was. D. Were. The correct answer is A. Question 2. My uncle me a story last Saturday. A. Tell. B. Told. C. Telling. D. Tell. The correct answer is B. Question 3. The girl. Best when she is happy. A. Sing. B. Sung. C. Sings. D. Sung. The correct answer is C. Question 4. My brother. A bear an hour ago. A. Seen. B. Sees. C. Saw. D. See. The correct answer is C. Question 5. Their class 2 hours ago. A. Begin. B. Began. C. Begins. D. Begun. The correct answer is B. Question 6. You. When L walked in. A. Were reading. B. Is reading. C. Was reading. D. Were reading. The correct answer is A. Question 7. Abdi visited his cousin last night. A. Are. B. Did. C. Does. D. Is. The correct answer is B. Question 8. Always she. Apple. A. Like. B. Liked. C. Likes. D. Liking. The correct answer is C. Question 9. Abdurrasak won the prize. A. Has. B. Had. C. Have. D. Are. The correct answer is A. Question 10. When? I'll see you again. A. Shall. B. Can. C. Will. D. Is. The correct answer is C.
Okay, let's go.